Hello there, my name is Dominic, and 4 months later, I'm with this TV again. This is the TeleFunken TV. In the first part, I fixed this TV by using a power module, which is what you can see right over here. It worked. It blew again. In part 2, I fixed it again, but due to a mistake that I did, I blew the motherboard. In part 2, I left this TV saying that I will get a universal motherboard and fix this TV. And today, I have the universal motherboard over here. So this is a very good advantage because it actually has a remote control. If you remember, this TV didn't come with a remote control. That's the connector for the screen. And this is the actual motherboard. So with these universal motherboards, the shape does not matter. What you usually do is connect a 12-volt power supply over here. You connect your screen from this place and your speakers over here. You connect your controls over here, and this will be for the remote control sensor and the physical buttons. Again, if you remember, this TV only had this one button over here. It's very hard to use this TV. And that's it. The TV is done. Now, I wish this video was about how I actually fixed this TV by using this universal motherboard, but unfortunately, that's not the case. So these are the problems I encountered while trying to fix this TV using the universal motherboard. So the first problem I encountered is the power supply and space situation. As you can see, we don't have a lot of space inside here, and I simply cannot fit this motherboard as well as use the power from this power supply to power this universal motherboard. The next major thing that made me not to use this universal motherboard is the screen connector over here. Now, this is the original screen connector of the TeleFunken TV, and this is the screen connector of the universal motherboard. You can see they somehow don't look alike. My connector is so much smaller than the replacement LVDS cable over here. The next big problem that I encountered is the actual connector to the screen. So you can see in my connector, these are the positive cables, and in the universal motherboard, you can see they are on the opposite side of the screen. So these connectors actually don't match up. So there's no way that I can use this universal motherboard. That's not to say that you can't use this motherboard. You can actually buy a universal motherboard that corresponds to the TV that you want to fix. In the future, I hope to make another video to show you how to use a universal motherboard to fix any TV that you want. And it's so fun getting to know which resolution is your TV and matching up on the motherboard to make the TV work. So what's my solution? Let's find out. This is my ultimate solution. This is a Vision Plus 32-inch TV. The model is VP8832DB. This is a digital TV, and the only problem with this TV is that it's a broken TV. So what I will do is swap this screen for the screen on the TeleFunken TV, and that's it. The TV will be okay. That's because it comes with a good motherboard over here, and the other big advantage is that it comes with its own remote control over here. So it's a big win for me fixing this TV. The other major advantage that I get with this TV is actual physical buttons over here. If you remember, the TeleFunken TV only had one button, which was a pain to use. So this one has actual physical buttons. By the looks of it, you can actually use this TV without necessarily using the remote control. So the screens on these generic TVs are actually more or less the same. So just plug it in and it works. Now I have already swapped this screen. This is the screen from the Vision Plus TV, and it's on the TeleFunken TV. This means that the screen that you can see over here is from the TeleFunken TV. So what's left is to power on this TV. And over there, you can see success. And over there, you can see the TV is working fine. I just found out that the remote control is not working. Someone actually attempted to repair this remote control, as you can see the evidence over here and over here. But I'm not worried because it's much easier to get a Vision Plus remote control in Nairobi than to get a TeleFunken TV remote control. So let's test the sound. Like I said, this TV has actual physical buttons at the back over here that I can use to change the inputs. This is something that I could not do in the other TV. So let's test the sound. Again, thank you for watching. Follow me on Instagram and goodbye. I just need to wipe this. So another advantage of this TV, it's a digital TV as well as a satellite TV.